Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Art Whisperer 88. On your screen you will see the usual large format 16 by 20 gel plate, and today I will continue with my theme of circles and lines. And so today I have mixed some, this is a leftover yogurt container with acrylic black, and this is my it's called a mega brush, number 30 mega brush, and I'm going to make a really large circle. This is keeping with my theme of really big circles. Okay. Just clean this up. Then instead of a magic marker, I'll just use my brush, make this line. Okay, now here's wide shot, and I will air dry this. This is the first step. So let me take a break to have this dry, and I will be right back. Okay, it's been a few minutes, and my little fan seems to have done a very good job. So now I'm taking my fat permanent marker and drawing some more large circles. And here, they're here, here, okay. Now I will be charging this plate with parchment. So this piece doesn't have too much color. You could say it's practically a black and white piece. I'm just making sure that the layer is very even and very thin. And that is the key to having a successful transfer. Because when you have spots of thick paint, they get left behind because the paint is too loose if it's too thick, and it doesn't pick up what's underneath. So okay, I'm gonna do my scribble again. Okay, hopefully all that elaborate measuring and registration is going to pay off. I hope this image will be centered on the paper and that it will be straight, not crooked. Okay, I'm leaving this for about half an hour just to make sure that it transfers properly. So I'll be right back. Okay, it's been about half an hour. I had a little coffee break and I can see that the moisture has absorbed into the paper because it makes a line here, which you can see. So let's see what we got. I think it's transferred very well. It's picking up almost, I would say 99% of what I put on the plate. This is exciting. Now this is a piece where I don't use any color. It's just a black, pretty much a black and white. So the emphasis here is on the bold graphic design of circles and lines. And I'm glad that it can capture even the texture of the brush strokes. I'm very pleased with this. And I'm happy that all that trouble making measurements and tick marks paid off. So again, I'm going to air dry this and see if I need to add some collage elements. I could say this is almost a standalone piece. It doesn't need anything else, but I found some of this tissue in my scrap box, and I think that would look good there. And I have some leftover circles that I did as a warm-up exercise, and I thought maybe it would look good here. So let me just mount these, and I think that's as far as I'll go. Okay, I think that does it for the collage. I'm going to air dry this. And in this case, it's a fairly simple composition. And it's, I think it's pretty striking. So let me wait until the glue dries, and then I will recap. Okay, it's been a few minutes, and I have air dried this completely. I found this piece of leftover stencil, and I thought it might be interesting over there. Just a spot of color. Because you know me, I can't leave well enough alone. So I think I'm going to do it. I'm going to put that. There, I'm going to call this piece done. It actually went very smoothly because it's well registered, and the the design of it is fairly simple. You have these very bold brush marks, and then some thin lines with the magic marker, and then some additional circles and lines with the tissue paper. And yeah, gonna call this done. I hope you like this short demonstration of a bold graphic composition, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.